Hi folks, better get a move on it. It's going to start raining again. We've been having torrential rains around here. Just a short video today. Rock 2 just helped me out by bringing some more groceries for the RV. I'm on a trip. I'm going back to Tulsa, Oklahoma to work on the sailing vessel Seeker. You might not have ever heard of the sailing vessel Seeker. It's this wild man up in Tulsa decided to build a 74-foot steel-hulled vessel, sailing vessel, a Chinese junk in fact, in his front yard, 2.5 miles from downtown Tulsa. I couldn't figure it out. I thought, why in the heck would you build it there instead of down by the ocean? Well, it turns out he's not a dumb man. He's 13 miles from the furthest inland ocean-going port in the United States. Who knew? I guess he did. He's been working on this boat, and it's a strange design. It's an origami vessel. The man drug up, I think it was 45 feet by 6 foot wide sheets of 1/4-inch steel into his front yard. He put 6 of them together, welded the seams, cut some strategically placed slots, and started raising it up with his cranes that he built. And as he rose the sheets up, or raised the sheets, the folds started coming together and he'd weld those. Pretty soon, hell, he had half a boat. Did the other side, put it together, now he's got a whole boat. Put the innards in, and I've been watching him for years, and last year I went to see him. People from all over the world come up there, and I, along with a guy from France, Max, built the forward bunks. COVID run me out of there, so I'm going back before he gets finished with it and help him out some more. Wife's been going to the grocery store, getting all the necessities I need. Mountain Dew and Monsters. That ought to keep me going. Of course, Doug feeds you lunch and dinner. You just have to kind of fend for yourself for breakfast. Now, when I went last year, I didn't really know what to expect, so I only took one thing, and it was my welding helmet. Well, this year, going back with my current welding helmet, a set of leathers, gloves, and some hats. Speaking of hats, I reckon this year is going to be no different than it was last year. I'll show you this little video. Dangest things happen in Tulsa, I found. So this year, I'm damn sure going to be prepared. Take a watch. This is that hard anti-fouling I was telling you about. You have to paint it over the top of the black tar epoxy before it gets too hard. This is it. And they tell me I don't need my gun?
No.
You sure I don't need my gun?
Yeah, well, you know, I don't know if that's a gun.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
that is a gun.
Well, we'll hear sirens pretty soon, but that's a lot. Sounds like a running gun battle.
I was assured that I didn't need to wear my sidearm that I always wear.
South, due south.
Southeast.
Traveling eastward.
Yeah. You can hear them? They're a little bit late, but they're on their way.
We just finished spraying 12 gallons of anti-fouling paint on. It's pretty good. Well, I think I've got everything loaded. I'm going to take a lot more camera equipment with me and show you more of the boat this time. I'm not going to take Rock 2. It's doing fine so far, but really don't need a pickup up there. Guys, we all kind of carpool and go everywhere together, so I'll catch you on the road.